Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Our subject today is EVS 1 Standard 5 Part 2. We are going to discuss chapter number 5 Family Values. In our last video, we learned and we discussed about how decisions are taken when we live together in a family. Every person in a family is unique and has different likes and dislikes, thoughts and opinions. And all these opinions are respected by each other. Despite of their differences, we have love and affection for each other. During family discussions, every member of the family is consulted before taking any big or small decision. Every member of the family gets a chance to express her thoughts and opinions. Different opinions of the members put light to different aspects of the subject, and the subject gets thoroughly discussed. Various matters requiring public participants are brought to our notice through newspapers, televisions, etc. During an election, we get our right to vote after the age of 18. We elect a government who takes decision on our behalf regarding public matters. If we feel that these decisions taken by the government are wrong, we can register our opinion. In this manner, we can be a part of public decision making process. The family in which we live helps us, supports us, takes care of us, and in return, the grown up children, the youngsters, are supposed to take care of the old and the small children. And in this way, when we live in a family, love, affection, care, support all goes hand in hand together. Honesty in public life. Honesty in public life helps to provide better public services and facilities. We are having different types of facilities like uh, traveling facilities, electricity. There are so many facilities that we are using today for which we should have honesty. Honesty helps to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. For example, if the police personnel and traffic man are not honest in their work, then it can lead to increasing crime rate and accident, which further affects the public life. What happens if we travel on a train or bus without a ticket? Our public transport system will run at a loss and would soon have to shut down. If each person buys a ticket honestly, this problem will not arise. Honesty can increase efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. If we are honest in our public life, we will get better public services and facilities. Advantages of cooperation. Cooperation helps to increase or improve the efficiency of work. In a sport, when a team or the players of the team, when they cooperate with each other, the game can be better. Similarly, in public life, various activities such as fairs, rallies, gatherings can be arranged when people cooperate with one another. In a family too, we cooperate with each other. Instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted, we should only to sports. We should bring it into public life as well. Everyone needs cooperation in public life. We too also need the help of others. Now let us see what is tolerance. Tolerance means, for example, we all have some faults and we can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. Respecting the opinion of others which are different from our own opinion is called tolerance. Sometimes difference in opinion and disagreements happens between friends and family members. On such occasion, we should try to understand the point of view of other person. In this way, we learn to become more tolerant. Tolerance and broad-mindedness plays an important factor in preserving the diversity of a country. Environmental problems and various issues can be solved when the society becomes broad minded. People belonging to different religion and culture live in our country having a tolerant attitude, encouraging one to think about others with concern. People start cooperating with each other. People from various part of our country live together. We all know that in India there are so many different people of different caste, religion, creed living together. The harmony and peace of the community is not disturbed. Thus, a tolerant attitude helps in preserving diversity of the environment. Sometimes there are disagreements between friends. We must try to understand the point of view of others without insisting that only we are correct or I am correct, that our view is only correct. We must listen to others, and in this way we learn to be tolerant. Respecting opinions which are different from our own is called tolerance or broad mindedness. That is why it is very necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad minded. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity enriches our social life. It encourages us to think about others with concern. We can solve problems in our environment by being broad minded. Now, let us see what is equality gender. Considering boys, that is men, and girls, that is women, both as equal human beings without discrimination is called gender equality. We must respect each other and maintain equality among all the fellow citizens. Gender equality provides everyone a fair share of learning, opportunity, and progress. Food, clothing, shelter, health, and education are the most common needs of man and woman. Each one of these needs must be fulfilled properly in order to maintain equality. All men and women are equal and should be given equal opportunities to progress. Gender inequality is wrong and should be avoided at all times. Boys and girls must respect one another. In the company of our friends, we consider all of them to be our equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as citizens when we grow. Men and women have equal rights to facilities such as these. Similarly, men and women must get equal opportunities of progress. We must always remember that honesty increases efficiency in public life and makes it possible to avoid wastage of time, money, and labor. Let us revise, children, about what we have learned in this lesson. Everyone in the family must have a say in decision making. We must be honest in our private and public life. Tolerance and cooperation make our community life harmonious and peaceful. A tolerant attitude makes it easy to preserve diversity. Men and women are equal. It is not right to discriminate between them. So, children, I hope you have understood this part of the lesson. Thank you and take care of yourself.